guys, welcome back to Mr. Make Stuff. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Yahtzee cup so it's easier to die stack with. So what you need is a toilet roll or a tissue roll, sellotape and some scissors and a cardboard. I've used this honey nut one and I'm going to use the back part. So the first thing you need to do, you need a pencil. You just need to draw around this. But just leave a little gap outside it. You don't want it to be. And then we're going to cut it around this. Okay, so we're drawing that up. And now we're going to cut this out. Okay guys, I'll cut this out and now I'm just going to stick it onto this. Like that. Get some more. Like that. And that's now closed from the top. And now I'm gonna just try it out with my dice. In my other video I showed you how to die stack, and it takes like that. Yeah, it's actually better with this. So that's how you make a Yahtzee cup.